Welcome to my channel. Find somewhere to relax and go within. Sit quietly and let go of any thoughts and feelings that you know do not serve you. During these affirmations, take some nice deep breaths in and let go slowly. You can either repeat these affirmations after me in your mind, or if you prefer, you can just listen. I am enough exactly as I am. I am safe. I am free. I am held and supported. I am the master of my thoughts. And I am willing to create new habits that supports my personal growth. I trust that life is guiding me, even when I don't have all the answers. I deserve good things today. I embrace all of who I am. I know that things are shifting into my favor. I am creating a life that aligns with my soul. I trust in the process of my life. I am always protected by my higher self. I allow myself to trust in my own decisions. Every experience today is a chance to grow and evolve. Each morning, I rise in gratitude for new miracles.